Hello, welcome back. I'm gonna continue this because I've nothing to do currently. Right, I need 8 bucks. Okay, time to find an 8 bucker somewhere. Don't know where, I don't know how. Okay, that's find an 8 bucker. That's a vulture. It's gonna come here now. Okay, well, I'll go somewhere else. I can't go. It's not game. Left. Basically. And what garbage lumps. These beeps. Sir, my kitty cat, please stop. Here. And yeah. But isn't it what here? I remember there being like a what system. Great way to get a few features. It's just gonna go just doing this. Just come through here. You follow. No problem, let's get it right back. Pow. How can I? Yes, go quickly. Just. There we go. And they took the spear, damn it. This is wrong. Please get off of me. How long? Oh, thank you. My least favorite one for my least favorite kind of leech is the green leech, the jungle leech. Like, I don't like the fact that they take food from me. In outer expanse, it's not too bad because they usually run worm grass, and worm grass is very good for getting leeches off. Because like they'll just like one shot, they'll just immediately consume the leech, which is good. Just get in the pipe. Sink. Come on, go this way. Hey, pal. Now the question is, do I want to sell this guy something, or... Oh, yeah. Because it'll give me scab reputation. I do have a pro. I can't see anything scab tool, so I might as well. Boink. And then I get a fancy, and I get a nice spear. Oh hey, bye bye. He's not going to be following me. can only live 4 days. The cycle's already half over? How? Ready. Oh, you fool. I hate you. Go away. Can I just like... yes. Well, that means Apple is going to spend some money because these flipping bastards just took my stuff. You know, there's a thunderstorm happening outside. I'm playing with the run today. It's quite nice. It was hailing earlier, which made it impossible to record anything because it was way too loud. I don't have a mic because my laptop on speaker. I'm not talking. I'm talking. Okay. This is Genesis. Bang. I wonder what this stuff tastes like. Because like what would, like I mentioned, like a glub or like a bat flavor tastes very bad because, you know, it's a literal animal. But like what would a squid collar taste like? Or like a, well, I might use centipede, so it tastes really bad. Like it's a centipede. I know, I'm pretty sure there are people that eat centipedes. I'm not one of those people. These bubbles kind of stress me out a bit because like usually I was thinking, oh bubbles, I am on my deathbed. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, I'm gonna go over here, grab one of those, come up fast game. Simple. Now, so get off of me. This video. Can I grab these? No. Oh, fuck. Oh, it's close. I'm gonna jump onto here, like this, because then they all lose interest in it. Go. Just go. I've got 2 bubble singing tricks. I should make it, because right here. Okay. I'll drop one of those so that I can get the last bit of food. Oh, for fuck's sake. I need to go. Like, go. I'm gonna go straight across. Let's go. Okay, now go up. Why? Come on, man. Where's the shelter? I don't wanna die. I'm too young. I'm too retarded. Let's go. There should be a shelter here somewhere. To here. Why? Are you fucking... No, you get away. Get in! No shelter. Climb faster! Oh. No! Because they have a... Well, I can still make a tool shot. I can definitely. I'm dead. Yeah. Well, at least I got far. I'm all the way back here. Okay, noted. What's been noted? The fact that I'm an idiot. It's a big dumb. Big stupid idiot. So we're gonna go that way because you know I know where it is. That's about it. Oh, for fuck's sake, so much. Okay, boom. Boom. I gotta go away. Okay, shit. Okay, now I'm fine. Is he must be kinda. That means he does not care about money. I don't like the woman's damn it. It's more annoying than anything else in my opinion, but more. You're coming with me. Get it. And I know not to give my pearl to those scavengers. Well, that scavenger. Hello, pal. Hey. Don't mind me just having a minor heart attack. Oh, hello. Okay, goodbye. Hey, you know what? Hey. Yeah, take it. Here you go. Oh, I'm sorry, I gave my pearl away already. Okay, don't be like, what is this guy following me? Well, as long as it's gonna be going in this direction, then yes. Shit, that's just... Can you move? Can you just move? Thank you. Get over me. Okay, now I'm gonna actually sleep in the shelter here this time, instead of just going straight through and dying a horrible, horrible death. I died too bad. This one's moving away now. Very nice, very nice. And then I was let me... Come on. I'm so close to getting the Jeep. So close. Just looking for like one more puzzle to do. And I got the Jeep. Which is good, because then I can just immediately go wherever I want, which would be out the expense of like the fourth class. Alright, time to listen to the sweet sounds of giant mechanical doors. I love this game. I'm just gonna say that. I'm joking, not the Nook. Now I've been entire cycle, an entire cycle to get through. I can combine them into a and I can combine oh, that's not actually not good. I'm good this way now. I have created explosive. Is that a scavenger painting? Looks like one. The eyes, the dumb expression. Back here again. This is lovely. Going for a swim in the sewers, you know, like you do. On my first playthrough, I never went through here. Yeah, that's all. That gate's not right up yet. Oh, right, what can I do with a bomb? No! Okay, it's actually something now. But, oh, okay, didn't go off. No, shit, go fat, no, not again, no. Oh yes, I'm so bad at this game. There you go. water. It's the water. I can't swim in the water. My cons isn't the best. What's the purpose of these doors originally? Because you need common to get through here, but how? How did they design it like that? And since they did, since they did design it like that, why? Like, what was the purpose? Cat hair everywhere. Okay, I'm just gonna go in here quickly and get these things foodified. I can't even see my legs moving. It just looks like I'm just like sliding. This is maybe going on for 22 minutes or 23 minutes now. How? I haven't done anything. I just want to find a single shelter here. Problem is, I've like been through here like once, and that was like an Saint campaign. Like, I don't know where shelters are. Just trust that to the side. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for my screen to move to the upper side, like this. I can do that. Just ignore that. Oh. This one. Oh. I want to take survivability. No, this is like a war pearl, but frankly I do not care for a war pearl. Let's straight up. Look at this place. Okay, that's one space. Close that one. When I see squids, damn it, what I think is food. But not that squid. That squid doesn't look healthy. I'm not gonna eat him. Okay. I'm not gonna go that way, because that way doesn't seem okay. Seems a bit But I changed my mind. This is perfectly fine. And okay, I can go. Ooh. The music scared me. I got a fright from the music. Oh, ain't that great? Right. Do I even eat? Oh, and I need to eat these. Nice. Okay, I will go out because I'm just dry. Nice. Alright. I hope I'm not gonna have to kill a king vulture. I mean, I ate a regular vulture, but like, I just king vultures with guns, so yeah. No! It's not my jump. No, shit! Cycle is almost over, and I do not know why. This does look familiar. Font 4. Saint. By Saint, I didn't even need to climb out. All I needed to do is just boop, boop, boop. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Okay, you won't go over here. Okay, all I want is a shelter. That's all I want. I'm gonna jump off from the top of here. Look at this. Ha, that's why. Okay, that's a dead end. So I'm gonna go down this way. What's the time now? Okay. There's a got bit of time. What the fuck is this? I know where this is. Oh! Sorry. Sorry, mate. This is close to a shelter in Rivlet's campaign. Yeah, down, just like down, just down here. There's plenty of food, which is great. Like there. No, that's a ball plant. I clipped the mic bomb. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes, like that poor plant. If that poor plant killed me, I would have been so angry. I'm gonna look at fruits and chocolates and this. How many fruits are there actually? Oh, I don't know. How did I lose in the Jeep then? What's the... Okay. An A! An A! Okay, there's like 3 regions. I can also get this. This book, the Sky Islands, 5 pebbles. Was like, oh, let's go for the exterior. I don't know what that might be. Submerged superstructure? I can't get to submerged superstructure, can I? I don't know. What region have I besides this Sky Islands? I have not been to Chile Camp. I don't think so. Let me just check. Go here. Yeah, I have not. I've not been to Chinikampi. Okay. This and all here. Okay, so I can get that, and I want that. I want the achievement. So I just have to go here. And I'm going there anyway. I'm gonna. Okay. I go there. I get this, and this, and then I go to 5 pebbles, and then go inside. That'll work. Anyway, I'm gonna leave that off here, and I almost drowned. I did drown multiple times.